Welcome to Morphilm Academy Product Review Series. Today, we talk about the K-Tek KSUHX X Series Stingray Utility Hip Pack. This is basically a bag that attaches to your waist and secures around your leg, so it doesn't flop around even if you run with it. I personally use it a lot as a boom operator and solo sound recordist. It's fantastic to carry a bunch of stuff that you might need that won't fit in your sound bag. In the first front pocket, you'll find 2 elastic pouches, 5 pen or marker straps, and 1 large one for whatever fits. I usually use the elastic straps to carry my lav snake and extra belt clips. I also sometimes use them for transmitters, extra batteries, or even Ursa and Viviana straps. In this one, I always carry my utility tool. In this second bigger pocket, you'll find this really nice transparent plastic compartment with a zipper, 2 more elastic pockets, and a large fabric one in the back. I use the transparent pocket for my tapes and stickers for installing lavalier microphones. In the 2 elastic ones, I only put small things like this multi-tool and extra batteries. In this large one, I usually just put in whatever miscellaneous thing I need, or it sometimes becomes a trash bin for my lavalier stickers. Both pockets have these nice pieces of fabric on the sides to keep your stuff in and prevent the pocket from opening too far. I just wish they would go a little higher to secure everything even more. This brings up the cons, or just a few things I find could be better. First off, there's this huge blank, useless part at the front of the bag. Why not put tactical loops, extra pockets, or anything else? Right now, it's just a waste of space. It would be so useful to be able to clip transmitters and receivers there. The same thing applies for the whole bag. It needs way more pockets and straps. Large openings like this are nice, but I'm not just going to pile loose items on top of each other. This needs a bit more organization options. In the front pocket, they put a bunch of straps, but the only things you can fit in there are pretty much pens and small markers. That's ridiculous. Who needs 5 of those? Keep 1 or 2, then change the rest for standard-sized tactical loops or even pockets. Speaking of pockets, these elastic ones are good, but if they could be a bit bigger, that would be great. The next thing is a detail, but it would be great if these super long adjustable straps had a system so they don't dangle everywhere and get in the way. I feel like one like this, with a built-in strap to hold everything, would be great. Another detail is that they advertise the back pocket to be used with something like a MixPre 3 or 6. It will fit, but connecting XLR cables will be very difficult. Unless you get those low-profile ones, I don't really recommend it. FYI, other recorders like a Zoom FN8 or a MixPre 10 are too big for this pocket. So overall, it's a fantastic high-quality bag. It's well-built and, in the most part, well-designed. There's just a few things that could be added and modified to make it much better and more useful. For example, if I compare this to a cheap bag I found on Amazon, yes, it's cheaply made, but it has so many more options. I want to see something overall more versatile from K-Tek, especially for the price. That said, if you need a high-quality bag for your boom operator, or you just need to carry more stuff on set, I definitely recommend it. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching!